Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tech World. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to buy XRP on Coinbase. Obtaining some coins is more difficult than others. One of them is XRP on Coinbase. The Coinbase app and Coinbase wallet doesn't have these options. So in order to do that, simply follow the steps before beginning. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, you can simply tap on the referral link in the description box below so that you can sign up for a new Coinbase account. This would be beneficial for our channel's growth without costing you anything, so make sure to click that referral link and get started signing up for Coinbase account. Once you have an account, simply tap Open Coinbase from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in as well. If you click on the Buy button and go through the assets you can purchase, you won't be able to find XRP option as you can see on the screen. So in order to find XRP and make a quick purchase, you need to find an external solution. You need to go open up a web browser. Once you open up a web browser, go ahead and type in CoinMarketCap.com and search. You'll be taken to this page right here, which looks like this. Now simply tap on the search button in the upper right hand corner and then type in XRP into the search bar. You'll be able to see the asset displayed right beneath in the search results tab on XRP, and it'll take you to this page. Now from this page, scroll down and find this market tab right next to overview. In this page, you'll be able to see a complete list of places you can buy XRP from. Right under pairs, you'll be able to see the shorthand for XRP plus a second currency displayed. The second currency is what you can use in order to purchase XRP. For example, if you want to buy XRP with a US dollar, look for the level XRP/USD, tap on one of your options. And now on the next page, go ahead and tap on the Buy button in order to make a purchase on your chosen platform. Make sure that you are tapped on the Buy option. Enter the amount that you're willing to spend and type in the amount of XRP that you are trying to purchase. Once you type in your informations, you'll be able to complete your transactions right away. That way you can easily purchase XRP on Coinbase using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, as you know about this more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.